Ontario is a fantastic place to do business. We have got excellent talent here. We've got great colleges and universities. It creates a great environment for innovation.
In 1988, when we started, we were one line producing 50,000 Corollas. 34 years later, we're 3 lines producing 500,000 luxury SUVs. Measuring success and tracking progress, that's part of our DNA here. That's something we do very, very well. We like to visualize almost on a moment-by-moment basis how we're performing.
The energy manager at any facility is a leader. We guide and we counsel and we mentor other people to rise to the top of the crop and come forward with energy conservation ideas. Our energy efficiency programs have been very successful over the last 5 years. In fact, we have been able to save over $1 million a year.
Winning the Energy Manager of the Year award is good recognition for the work that the teams here are doing on a regular basis.
The IESO Save on Energy program has been helping us in multiple ways. The most effective is taking those projects that are marginally attractive and improving the business case for them, allowing us to implement projects that would not otherwise have happened.
Seeing the way that we invest and are willing to support those initiatives, it's very, very rewarding. Year after year, we continue to see improvement in our results and improvement in our KPIs. And it's an easy story to tell. When you're talking to someone about Toyota and about the activities, whether it's our product or whether it's the way that we make that product, that we're thinking about those things.
We can see all around us, obviously, what's happening to the planet. So to be able to influence that, to be able to induce positive change to an operation of this scale, it's very rewarding. The future is electric.